Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Greek Literature Tragedy and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic of Euripides. The topic is the Trojan Woman. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छे लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Zenny Study Instruments, Literature in Pakistan. Very important topic in Greek literature tragedy Euripides, the Trojan Woman. The Trojan Woman, written by Euripides. Chorus, Trojan Woman. Characters, Hecuba, Cassandra, Andromache, Talthaeus, Menelaus, Helen, Poseidon, Athena. Place, premiered Athens. Original language, ancient Greek. Genre, tragedy. Setting, near the walls of Troy. The Trojan Woman. The Trojan Woman, ancient Greek, Tepvois, Troodice. Ancient Greek made Trojan woman go Tepvois and Troodice. Also translated as the woman of Troy. Translate किया जाता है as a woman of Troy, and also known by its translated Greek title Troids. Troids is a tragedy by the Greek playwright Euripides, produced in 415 BC during the Peloponnesian War. It is often considered a commentary on the capture of Aegean island of Melos and the subsequent slaughters and subjugation of its populace by the Athenians. Earlier that year, see History of Melos, 415 BC, was also the year of scandalous desecration of the army and the Athenians' second expedition of Sicily, events which may also have influenced the author. The Trojan Woman was the third tragedy of trilogy dealing with the Trojan War. The first tragedy, Alexandros, was about the recognition of the Trojan prince Paris, who had been abandoned in infancy by his parents and rediscovered in adulthood. The second tragedy, Palamedes, dealt with Greek mistreatment of their fellow Greek Palamedes. This trilogy was presented at the Ardencia along with the comedic satyr play, Sisyphus. The plots of this trilogy were not connected in the play that Aeschylus' Orestes was connected. Euripides did not favor such connected trilogies. Euripides won second prize at the City Dionysia for his effort, losing to the obscure tragedian Xenocles. The four Trojan women of the play are the same that appear in the final book of Iliad, lamenting over the corpse of Hector, taking place near the same time in Hecuba and other play by Euripides. Guys, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक, थर्ड कैरेक्टर इन यूरिपाइड्स, द ट्रोजन वुमेन. किसी और टॉपिक की ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं. आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वही टॉपिक मिलेगा. And video अच्छा लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.